Objects are one of the most important data type you used for the larger application. Okay, hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this session, we will talk more about TypeScript objects, how we can add, remove the property, or how we can assign different data types to the property. So in this session, what we do is we will say the default type object. We will add a new property in existing object. We will update the existing property. We can define our custom types and how we can use any word in the TypeScript object. So in this I will create one student obj. Okay, and I will say this is an object. Okay, now for the student obj I will assign first name. So last name I will say my age. I will say my address. Okay, so I have saved and it is giving me 0 error found. Let me print this object student obj, and if I run here it will print first name, last name, age, address. Complete object is printed here. Clear. Now what if I assign string value to this? Let's say Hemant. Okay, it is saying me that type string is not assignable to type object. So basically this is an object type, and in that I am trying to assign string value. It is not allowing me, and even if I specify string here. Okay, but what if I specify string here? It will not allow me to convert that student obj to object. Okay, now it is showing 0 error. So you cannot override original data type. So this is not allowed. Now let me change the first name value. What it is saying, property first name does not exist on type object. So if you see error here, how we can resolve is, what I will tell my program is, instead of this I will tell I will remove this. I will say my first name is string, last name is also string, age is number, address is string. So here instead of semicolon there will be a colon. So let student object will be of this structure, first name, last name, age, address, and all will have this data type. So similar data type I have assigned here. Okay, I will change here first name to Mark. Now if I run this here, I can say Mark Panchal 29 Mumbai. Now what I will do, I will select one more property type, suppose like course equal to IT. So at runtime it is not allowing me to add new property inside the object. Okay, so this is adding new property is not allowed. So this is gone. Now student obj first name, I will change first name to 100. Again, it is not allowing me because my first name should be in string format. Now what if I change here this string to number? So it will throw me an error here where the value was assigned. Okay, so this is how data types work in the object. Okay, so this is fine now. Now I have written my address in the string. Okay, but I don't know what is the exact data type of my address. Okay, or say take an example of age. Here I have written the 29, but I don't know what data type is required for the age. It can be 29 years or only 29. So I'm not aware what would be the data type. So what I will do, I will say change my data type of age to any. Okay, I found zero error, 29 correct. If I say it should be as 29 years, I have saved again no error. So this time it worked. If I say correct, so this time this work. So whenever you are not sure about the data type of your properties, then you should use any keyword. Now one more thing, let's understand how you can assign one object to another object. I will say let new stu object equal to object. I will assign, sorry, here it will be colon. Here what I will say, I will assign original object to this new object, and I can say just print this object. If I run here, it's saying me undefined. Yeah, correct, undefined, because here it will be equal to, not a colon. Correct. So now this object has also same values. So this is how object works, adding properties, updating properties, data type of each property, object assignment to another object. That's all for this session of object. Thank you for watching. You can wait for my new upcoming videos. You will learn a lot of things about the TypeScript. Thank you.